today we're gonna be Hi guys, today we're gonna be Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Sakura School later. What the fuck is that? What the where yeah, I forgot. I don't have that. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna be playing Okay guys, we're gonna be playing Love House instead. Okay. Because I don't have sounds and High School Simulator. Can you guys please comment how do I put the sounds? There's literally no sound. Hi. Oh god, they're still dancing. Okay. Please. At least give me a new one. Witchy baby. No, stop. Okay, hurry up. Oh my god, they're stopping. I hate it. I feel like this movie app. Do your makeup instead you want. Don't ask me. Okay, is there? No, there's not. I'm gonna turn off the party. Why are you partying here? Where the heck is Anyways, I did get my favorite LOL title. This one. This is my favorite. Don't ask me why. I just like it. Shut up. Yeah, very nice. So I'm gonna be making a emo. Yeah. So. Okay, so I'll watch an ad. I wish that feature actually has an wait. I already have that. Wait. So I already have toca boca. See? Wait. I'm actually gonna play toca boca. My bad. Hey, what's the title? Okay, I don't know because I haven't read it. Because I haven't made it yet. I haven't read the title yet. Anyways, I want the title to be nice. Listen. Oh my god. Okay, I was gonna say I want to see the thumbnail. Okay, this is the thumbnail. What is this? Just give me the fucking signal. Just give me a signal. Okay, I'm actually gonna play now. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's get my. Okay, shut the fuck up. What the fuck was that? Hey, babe, sit. I have more. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh, not going. Oh my God, this land. Just give me my king. Just give me my phone. Toca boca. Or caca. I mean. Oh, wait, what the? They was literally a cup. Oh man, now where's my surprise box? It's gone. I knew I shouldn't do that. I'm sad.
Oh my God.
Since I really took everything, what the heck is this? Wait. What does the pamphlet? I'll be keeping that. I'm not keeping that ugly thing. Doon sa labas! Pasok mo ka dito sa loob. Shut the up! Okay, we're gonna be... So the chaos starts on some girl's house. At some girl's house. Oh, we're surprise up. I love a surprise up. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not answering that. Hey, what the heck? Where is he? Well, that's gonna be bro's, I don't know, room. It's my room. Very preppy. Hey, bro. What? Okay, she's still alive. What? Nothing. What did you call me for? I just want to see if you're alive. Well, I am. I'll be. That was mean. Yeah, it was. Oh, finally, I have a room. Yeah, she literally just went out of the house and ran away. Okay, fine. I can finally dazzle it. Meanwhile, the little sister. Or what's the? Ow! Oh my God! Why am I going there? I'm going to the dump. Just like they're all going to the dump. Hey, get up. And this is her home. Ow. I'm home. I'm back. Aww. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh God, I look bold. Okay, I should not say that. I'll go with this. That is better. Oh my God, just get in. Actually. Okay, what the was that? What's this? Or are we not doing it at? Okay, I'm actually customizing it. Okay, now it's all customized. Voila! It's my birthday today. Hey, oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. It's my birthday today. Let's go celebrate it. I'm sorry. It's my birthday today. You can be the one who blow it. You can reach it. Okay. Here you go. Yay! Wait. Yay! You did it. And you're done. You ate the whole thing. I'll just have a chocolate. You have that. I have this. You have that. I have this. Yay! Now I can trick or treat. Okay, I need to go somewhere big, okay? Guard the front door. You're too lazy. Okay, fine. Oh God. POV event nighttime. Wait. POV is night now. Oh no, I'm lost. Wait. Bye guys, this is the end of the video and we're gonna be ending this here in my recorder. Oh my God, what is that? Okay, we're gonna end it here. Bye guys. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and if you really want me to shout out you, comment now. Okay, sorry by forcing you. Bye. God.